Let's do a quick recording. I'm going to change the screen capture area to 1280 by 720. Let me grab the recording area over here, move our recorder here below. For this demo, let me grab Photoshop, bringing Photoshop over our screen 3. Let's resize the area. In addition, recall that we customized our start and stop keys as F1 for start and pause, F2 for stop. In this recording, we will utilize record screen and a microphone. Positioning my cursor over here, and let's now hit F1 to start recording. Our recorder now transformed into this simple window. We have here the time consumed by the recording. We can minimize the recorder, restart, and recall we customized pause to be F1. Let me hit F1 to pause, F2 to resume, and finally F2 to stop. Hitting F2, and right away our recording is automatically inserted into the timeline. In addition, recall that we defined the destination of our .trec files. As I hover over this trec, I'm going to right-click, select Open File Location. So notice this is the location it was previously defined. In addition, a .trec is the file created when using the Camtasia recorder. Now, the file is typically named with the date of the recording and contains both of the video and audio recording. So I have separated the video and audio here. Moving forward, our screen recording was set to 1280 by 720, while our canvas is currently 1920 by 1080. So let's change the project settings to 720p HD. Selecting apply, and the screen recording is now fully fitted into the canvas. And that's a quick demo of using Camtasia's screen recorder. In the next video, we will move further as we discover how to create YouTube video tutorials with Camtasia.